This is a sunroof sunshade compatible with the corresponding BMW model series. After picking it up, please ensure this part remains attached. After confirming the product appearance, begin installation. This part can be stretched outwards for easier installation. Locate the corresponding drive cable clip at this position, then pull it out to engage. This part of the drive cable will then contact and secure with the new replacement part. For electric systems, the motor can be turned off and then pulled out from the track. Install the new accessory into the corresponding clip position, and pay attention to adjusting the position of the pull cable to fit the new accessory. Pay attention to the installation position to ensure it is installed correctly. The spring plate needs to be adjusted with tools, and the position of the pull wire should be adjusted slowly to ensure that the new component fits the track better. Otherwise, there is a risk of it falling off. Check if the golden yellow spring clip is in this position. If it's not installed correctly. Repeatedly confirm that it has been installed into the track, indicating that the installation is complete. The installation method is the same for both ports. After completing the preceding steps, align and level the entire component with the frame base, ensuring it is perfectly aligned and not tilted. Install the components side by side, ensuring both sides are parallel and consistent. After completing the preceding steps, align and level the entire component with the frame base, ensuring it is perfectly aligned and not tilted. Install the components side by side, ensuring both sides are parallel and consistent.